Hello everyone and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I got something from Furls. Look. So I wanted to share this with you, and I also have some happy mail that my daughter took my grandson to pick out, and I'm about to show you right now. So hold on one sec. Okay, pulling it all out. I have 2 hooks. So excited. You all know that I'm a Furls affiliate and I am a collector of Furls, okay? Here are my 2 boxes. So let me show you what I got. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh my goodness. When Furls has a sale or they put out something new, I am on it. Oh, this is the purple heart. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's a Q hook. Oh my God, this is so pretty. I'm gonna put this here. You see how it's made? This purple heart is 15 millimeter. This is so pretty. I hope the camera is doing this justice. I hope you guys can see it well. I need to pick out a yarn and try it. Yes, 15 millimeter. So I'll put that up there really closely. It has a nice feel to it. The wood is nice and soft. I like the point right here. And it's lightweight. It's not heavy like I thought it was going to be. So that's good. I'll put it back into the box until I go ahead and put it in its resting place, if you will. So here is the next one. Oh my Lord. Look at this. It's a PP hook. PP hook. Sorry, y'all. But look at it. Oh, this is so pretty. It's a 12 millimeter. I had to get the 12 and the 15. So I will tell you that this 12 millimeter hook was $25. $25. And the 15 millimeter hook looks like it was $20. That purple heart one. All right. I know they were running some specials on it, but I just love the sparkle in here. And let's see if they say which one it is. It's a Capricorn. Capricorn. Oh, that is so pretty. I love Furls. I am a Furls girl, and I'm a Furls girl for life. So I had to jump on and show you these hooks. This one feels a little bit heavier for some reason. It is nice and balanced. I would love to work up some stitches with this. Now, I will probably use this baby blanket sparkle or something like that. That might work. Or it might be a little bit too big. Let's see. The recommended hook size for this is an 11. So this 12 might do the trick. All right. But we are talking about maybe some blanket yarn or something like that. Yes, if I had time, I would do a little stitch work so you all can see. But in the future, in the near future, I'll have to jump on and do that. So let's get to the yarn. Oh my goodness. This bag right here, my daughter gave me, and she said that she got my grandson to pick me out some yarn. And he loves yarn. I'm teaching him how to crochet. He just turned 4, so this is what he picked out. Y'all let me know how he did. This is the Mandala Ombre. It is buttery soft. Oh my goodness. It's called Zen. And if you don't know, I have a second channel. It's called Zen Life Meditation. So he is forward thinking. I cannot believe that he picked this. And he picked this out when he was 3. All right. And medium weight 4, it's 5.3 ounces, 150 grams, 344 yards, 315 meters. You can machine wash and dry this, 100% acrylic. And the recommended hook size is for crochet of 5.5 millimeter, which is an I9 hook. And for the knitting needles, they recommend a 4.5 millimeter. This is so beautiful. And again, this is called Zen. So he got me 2 of these, my grandson. I'm so excited. I'm so very happy and grateful that he wanted to get me some yarn. We've taken him to yarn festival, so he's really, really enjoying the process. Oh, this is made in India. I should have known that, but I just noticed it. So I just wanted to let you all know that. So, yes. All right. So I have a lot of yardage, and I need to make something special. Let me know in the comments what you think I should make with this Zen yarn, the Mandala Ombre. 344 yards each. 315 meters. So thank you for tuning in to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I greatly appreciate you. And you all have a wonderful rest of your week. I will be traveling, so I'll probably be off of the grid like right now. So pray for traveling mercies for me, and I will try to be on the YT as much as I can. All right. Love you all. Have a wonderful one.